Hello everyone, I am Priyanshu Gupta. Welcome to this video. Today we will know about how to build a website without a single line of code. We will talk about first AI tool is Widecanvas. Let's open browser in our computer and search widecanvas.ai and press enter. Wait a second. When web page is open, then you see that there is some basic tool like a select mouse and draw eraser, arrow and text and many tools in that platform. You can draw your own UI design using this tool for a project. Otherwise, you write the prompt in the text area. The interesting part of this website is you have to also use speak option. You can define your project. What do you want to make in any language? Mainly it supports 7 or 8 languages like Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali, and many of them. Simply click on this icon and define your project in your language. Simply write a prompt related to our project and click on do magic, and don't forget to on database services. Then you see the magic, it take only 60 seconds. After 60 seconds you see that your project is almost done. To open this project in tab, simply click on this icon. You see that your project is open in new tab. You see that what a great design have been made. And let's check it that it's working properly or not. This is working so well. This time I will change the theme from skeuomorphism to new brutalism. And also add animation and color to it. And click on do magic. Wait for 60 seconds. Wow, this design is much better than before. It looks more polished and has a great balance of colors and functionality. Check it, its work is done properly and animation has also been added in this. We can also delete the expenses. Now we will add another new feature in it, which is to track the real date time and add capture button also. And click on do magic and wait for 60 sec. You can see how I added this feature with just one click. Let's check if it's working or not. You see that what a great design have been made. And let's check it that it's working properly or not. You see that the capture button also worked properly. You can also add another features in this project. If you have any other idea in your mind, then you can add it, just speak or write it. Okay, click on this icon. You see that the source code of this project. You can simply copy the code and use it. Here you can also publish your project. Simply fill all the detail and click on publish. Your project will publish. Here you can also export this code in different frameworks. Select your framework and click on convert. It simply convert your whole code in that framework. There is many languages in framework, you can choose any of them. I also provide the link of this AI tool in pinned comment section. You go and check it, any question related to this AI tool. So simply comment the below. Okay. Let's talk about second AI tool. Simply go over browser and search v0.dev in search bar and press enter. You'll see that this AI website is open. It is very easy to use and simple user interface, not a more complex. This AI tool is from a Vercel. It is a chat-based interface AI where user can input the prompt and attach the file. V0 can respond with text code or blocks. You can also select your plans when you want to use a premium tool. Then you upgrade your plan as you wish. Here I use free plan. Here you see that there is option to attach your Figma design, otherwise you have to another option to upload our project images. And you simply write the prompt in text. Let you see how I make dot click on this upload option. And uploading a project. I have many project images. I can choose anyone and upload it. And write the prompt. Explain our images what you want in project. So I make currency converter app. You can see it takes some time. For analyze your prompt and image and generate the code. You see in the right side. The code is generating. But one mistake, it choose default React languages. You can also write in which language you want. I write give me code in the form of HTML CSS language. And wait a sec. Now you see that how it provide whole code in HTML language. You can copy the code and use it in your project. After the code is done, then it provide the preview of the project. You see it is worked properly. Now you can see that how I build project with 0-line code in just one click. And it fully working properly. Before end the video I say that stay permissionless and thank you.